Hi there, students. Revenge. So, revenge, an uncountable noun. I wouldn't use it countably. To revenge as a verb. And we've also got the verb to avenge. I think there's probably a slight difference between avenge and revenge. But let's see. First of all, revenge as a noun. This is harm that you do to somebody. This is when you hurt someone else as a punishment for something they've done to you. Yeah? Or they've done to something else. So, I took revenge by hiding his books. I took revenge by attacking him hitting him when he wasn't looking. Okay, so revenge. This is punishment, yeah, but this is to get punishment for somebody, but with resentment, when you're angry, yeah. This is is retaliating. Yeah, this is hitting somebody back. You hit me, and I'm going to hit you back. That's revenge. Yeah, to take revenge on somebody. So revenge is talking about a desire for revenge, but in spite, out of spite, being vindictive. I did it out of revenge. Revenge is an opportunity to retaliate, yeah, to hit back for something that's happened to you. I think to avenge is very similar again. But I think firstly, you normally avenge something that happened to somebody else. So I took revenge for him hitting me, but I avenged the injustices that he had heaped upon my brother. Let's see, could I avenge for myself? I could definitely avenge for myself as well, but I wouldn't revenge for somebody else. So as a verb, no. I could take revenge, but not to revenge as a verb. Normally as well, to revenge oneself for something, but to avenge something more normally. So he demanded revenge. Okay, so revenge, the action of hurting or harming somebody in return for an injury or a perceived injury. Yeah, so retribution, retaliation, a reprisal. Yeah, yeah, to inflict harm on someone for an injury that's been done to you. Whereas avenge is inflict harm done to somebody else, but avenge has the idea of justice, whereas revenge has the idea of out of malice, out of spite. So if you avenge something, you make things equal. You make things equal again, whereas revenge is just about an angry reaction and no more. Okay, so you revenge yourself on someone who has hurt you. You hurt them in return. If you avenge a wrong or harmful act, you punish with a reasonable punishment what has happened. You get revenge for. I think in many cases revenge and avenge are the same. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Normally as well, to revenge yourself on someone. To avenge yourself, I'm still not happy using avenge very reflexively. Okay, so avenge implies a deserved or a just punishment. Revenge just implies the infliction of punishment as an act of retaliation. Yeah, usually paying somebody back for an injury. So you normally avenge something that happens to someone else. You take revenge. Yeah, it's got an idea of resentment and personal malice as the motivation, whereas avenge talks about making things equal again, about something that is just, or something that is reasonable. Okay, so let's see. I think revenge, 6 in formality. Avenge, 6.5, maybe even 7. So avenge is ever so slightly more formal than revenge. Let's see. The word revenge and avenge, these come from French. Revanche, and they both, and all of this comes from Latin, vindico, to vindicate, to avenge, to punish, to claim punishment. Vindex, a defender, a protector. Okay, vind and deco, to say, to state. So revenge, this is all linked to the word vindicate. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Revenge, avenge.